In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a fast and responsive YouTube feed like this on your Thrive Architect webpage. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase YouTube Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. And now inside your WordPress dashboard on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for YouTube Feed Pro, like this, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, YouTube Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create our YouTube feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice YouTube Feed. Hover over it like this and click on Settings. Next, beside License Key, enter the license key from your Smashballoon account, and once that's done, click Activate. And now you can see our license key has been activated. We can begin creating our YouTube feed. Once again, on the left-hand side, under YouTube Feed, click on All Feeds. And to get started, click Add New. And for the first step of creating our feed, we'll have to select a feed type. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, a feed of videos from any YouTube playlist, a feed of videos that match any specific search criteria, and more. For this video, let's go with the channel feed type. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on a video tutorial in the top right corner of your screen, or follow a written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, click Add API Key, and paste it here like this. Then, click Add. This will take you to the next step where you'll have to enter a source for your YouTube feed. To do that, you can enter a channel handle, channel ID, or channel username. For this tutorial, let's demonstrate using the Thrive Themes YouTube channel. So I can enter the channel handle like this, and then click Next. And for the last step of creating our feed, we can select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more. For this video, let's go with the list template. Once that's selected, click Next. And almost instantly, you'll get a preview of your new YouTube feed inside the plugin. The feed is displaying the latest videos from the Thrive Themes YouTube channel. We can now go and embed this inside the Thrive Architect webpage, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize the feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you can customize the layout of your YouTube feed. At the top, we have 4 different layouts to choose from. Currently, we have the list layout selected, which displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. At the top, we can also choose a grid layout, which displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns. Underneath that, we have the gallery layout, which displays your latest video in a large thumbnail at the top, followed by the rest of the videos in a grid layout underneath. Lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. But for this video, let's continue with the list layout. Underneath that, you can also choose how many videos you want to show inside the feed initially. At the moment, we only have 2 videos, but if you want to modify that, you can just enter the number of videos you want to display. For example, let's go with 3, and our feed will automatically update to display 3 videos. And if you're happy with the changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. And next, if you want to modify the header at the top of your YouTube feed, under the Customize tab, click on Header. Inside this menu, you can see that we have 2 different header styles you can choose from. At the moment, we have the standard header style, which displays the channel profile picture, channel name, number of subscribers, and the channel description. At the bottom of this menu, you can choose to disable the channel description and number of subscribers. To do that, you can simply toggle it off like this. And the same can be done with the subscribers too. Now we only have the profile picture and channel name. I'm going to bring those back. And the second header style is the text style, which is a simple text header that you can modify down below. For example, you can change it to something like Our Latest Videos. If you want to disable the header entirely, you can go and untoggle it at the top like this. Now our header has completely disappeared from our YouTube feed. I'm going to bring that back and change it to the standard header style. And if you've made any changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. And if you choose not to display certain videos inside your YouTube feed, the plugin can help you do that. Go to the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Inside this menu, you can enter words and hashtags as filters, so that your feed only shows or hides videos containing those words. For example, if you wanted to hide this video at the top, we can just write Boost Your SEO inside blocked words. If I type it in like this, you'll notice that the video is now hidden inside our feed. I'm going to remove the blocked word. At the bottom, you can also hide specific videos by entering their video ID. With this option, you have complete control over the videos you display inside your YouTube feed. And if you've made any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your Thrive Architect webpage. For this example, let's create a new webpage. And here we are now on a new WordPress webpage, and at the top, we can click on Launch Thrive Architect. Once you do that, it will ask you what kind of page you'd like to create. We can create a normal page that matches the content on the rest of our website. We can go with a blank page with a header and footer, or a completely blank page. And lastly, a pre-built landing page. Let's go with this option. Here, you can choose a professionally designed template from the landing page library. For this example, let's go with this one here. Once you click on it, it will show you all the different pages inside that theme. For this video, let's go with this page here. Once that's selected, click Apply Template. And now you can see that Thrive Architect has automatically loaded up that template. The page is good to go and we can now embed our YouTube feed. Let's embed our YouTube feed underneath this heading here. To do that, click on the plus icon on the right hand side, and at the top inside the search bar, we can search for Smash Balloon. And the one we want is this one here. We can now click, drag it, and place it inside our web page like this. Then on the left hand side, we'll notice we have the Smash Balloon social feed enabled. We can open up the main options and select the plugin type, which is feeds for YouTube. Next, we can select the feed that we just created, which is this one here. And once selected, we can see a preview of our new YouTube feed inside Thrive Architect. We can now save our work and check it out on the live web page. And here we are now on our live WordPress web page, and we have our new YouTube feed right in the middle. This feed is displaying the latest uploads to the Thrive Themes YouTube channel. At the top, we have the channel profile picture, channel name, number of subscribers, and the channel description. Underneath that, we have the latest uploads in a list layout, and below the first video, we have a subscribe bar. Inside, we can see the profile picture, channel name, number of subscribers, and a subscribe button. If a site visitor clicks on this, that will take them directly to your YouTube channel with a prompt here asking them if they'd like to subscribe. This makes it really easy for your site visitors to subscribe to your YouTube channel directly from your WordPress website. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a button that says Load More. If I click it, it will load additional videos inside your YouTube feed directly on your Thrive Architect site. So you now know how to create, customize, and embed a YouTube feed like this on your Thrive Architect webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.